Hey everyone, welcome to problem number 13, Roman to integer. Okay, so this is actually a follow-up to what we solved in problem number 12, where we were given an integer and we had to convert into the Roman letter. Similarly, it's just the opposite of it. So you are given a string now and you have to return the integer out of it. If you go through the example, say m is 1000, cm is 900, xc is 90, and iv is 90. So it's 4. So that's why it's kind of coming out to 1994. What are the constraints? So s length could go from 1 to 15, and s contains all the valid characters. It is guaranteed that s is a valid Roman numeral from the range 1 to 3999. Okay, so now what we have done in the previous video, we have to just do the opposite. So what we can do is start making our directory, and now we will store the Roman letters and its integer values. Okay, so I goes for this. Hang on, let's see. Yep. IV is 4, V is 5. Okay. Okay, what else? X is 10. L is 50. C is 100. D is 500. M is 1000. Oops. IV, V, let's see, what are we going to do with the IX? That's 90. Sorry, that's 9, my bad. 40 would be XL. Oops. 90 would be XC. CD would be 400. And CM would be 900. Okay, now we have the dictionary. So let's start doing the string thing. Okay, let's actually take this one so that we can get an idea of what we are trying to do here. Okay, so it is pretty easy here, right? So L, we can directly check it from here. So it would be L is 50. V is 5. Okay. And I is 1 plus 1 plus 1. Fair? Now what we have is the second one. So this is where it actually starts getting tricky and kind of confuse most of you. So first M is 1000, that we are sure of. Then instead of looking at one character, we gotta look at two characters. So CM would be 900. XC would be 90. And then IV would be 4. So the idea that kind of comes into our head, in my head, is why do we even bother about 900 and 90s and 9s? So instead of 900, can we not write it as 500 plus 100, oops, plus 100 plus 100 plus 100, right? Can we do that? Yes, we sure can. And 90 would be just 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay, And what are we going to do with the 4s? So 4 could be written as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So here's what I'm proposing. I'm proposing that at the end of, so if we could, we wouldn't care about what replacements or substitution we do in this string. All we gotta do, all we gotta know is that at the end of the integer conversion, all the additions should match up to the integer. Fair? So what I'm trying to do is every 900 would be replaced by 500 plus hundreds. 90 would be represented by with 50s and 10s, and each 4s would be represented by 1s. That's it. So what we can do here, oops, okay, what we can do is here, so s equal to s dot replace. Let's start doing 90s. So cm will now be replaced by D and C's, like 4 C's. Okay, s is equal to s dot replace. 90 is xc. Xc will be replaced by L and X. So L X X X X. Okay. S dot replace 9. So Ix will now be replaced by V I. Okay, that takes care of all the 9s. S would be now let's take care of 4s. So IV would be represented, would be replaced by I. S equals S dot replace IV40 would be replaced by XXXX. Fair. S is equal to S dot replace. Ooh, did I just write 40 here? No, I didn't. I meant Excel. My bad. And 400 CD would be replaced by 4 times C. Okay, so if we have this pattern, so CM now would look like, so this basically the string would look like s equals, so CM would now be replaced by this, XC would now be replaced by this, and IV will now be replaced by this. So we don't actually care about the substitution in the Roman letters. Once we start iterating it through, we'll just start adding those up. So for simple as that, for character in S, equals 0, answer equals cache of character. That's pretty much it. Return answer. I think I messed up indentations. Try to do as best as I can. Okay, and let's see. Okay, fair. Just so that we know, print as. Look at this, and we'll just go ahead and submit this. Perfect. Thank you so very much for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video.